The big, beautiful bill is bringing in some changes to the tax season. Let's get some common sense and bring in Craig Bolanos, the co-founder of VestGen, as well as a wealth advisor. Nice to have you here, Craig. What do taxpayers need to know?
Well, 2025 is a big year because we had the renewal of the Tax Cut and Jobs Act that's referred to as OBA, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. And the first thing that pops to my mind is there's a new $6,000 per person senior bonus deduction eligible for those 65 years and older. But again, like so many things in the One Big Beautiful Bill, it's subject to income phase out. So if you want to make sure you capture your $6,000 bonus deduction, that's $12,000 per couple, make sure you're really paying attention to your income ranges and thresholds so you don't get phased out. I think in addition to that, people need to be paying attention and have great documentation. Maybe you bought an automobile here in the second half of the year. You too could be eligible for up to $10,000 of deductions. But Angela, the biggest news, it's all about the salt shaker, isn't it?
By that, you mean SALT, state and local tax deductions. It allows people who itemize their federal taxes to take state deductions. What's changing?
So this was one of the key ingredients inside this new tax legislation is ever since the Tax Cut and Jobs Act came into full force and effect, people have been capped on deducting their state and local taxes up to an amount of only $10,000. If you have high taxes on wages, high property taxes, that was a no-no for many Americans across the country. The new tax bill raised the SALT deduction all the way up to $40,000. But again, if you want to capture that full $40,000 deduction on state and local taxes, you're going to need to control your income and watch out for the various income thresholds and phase outs. So Angela, I think the bottom line is everyone in 2025 should seek competent advice, whether you're talking to your CPA, tax professional, financial advisor. It's not too late. Get to know all of these new deductions, unpack everything that's in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. And of course, investors, especially this year, Angela, coming into December, investors need to be wary. And Angela, we talk about this every year. What do they need to be wary of? Capital gain distributions. Don't find yourself taking year-end holiday bonus, year-end investment money, and in a taxable brokerage account buying into a stock mutual fund only to get a phantom income tax bill in December. This is a very newsworthy warning to all investors out there who might be making new purchases into a stock mutual fund inside their taxable account. Connect with us at getretiredstayretired.com. That's getretiredstayretired.com.